When initially looking into emerging theories that remove time from quantum equations, you learn real quickly it's been an interesting path, to say the least, of discovery through theory. To start, it's difficult to establish a quantum theory of gravity. Physicists want to grasp the concepts of both general relativity and quantum mechanics and create a new theory of quantum gravity to replace them. String theory tried to overcome contradictions between theories by replacing particles with strings that vibrate in 11 dimensions. String theory defines the universe comprehensively, but there is no clear experiment to prove the theory might be correct. Now, in the 1980s and 90s, physicists were dissatisfied with string theory, so they developed a new mathematical approach to quantum gravity. Actually, many different mathematical approaches. But one of the best known is loop quantum gravity. This theory suggests that most things are made of networks of very tiny loops. An interesting aspect of this theory is the elimination of time. Eliminating time from the equation is not new, though. There are many other theories that, admittedly, by removing time as a fundamental aspect of reality, make them valid or potentially valid. So taking loop quantum gravity into consideration, let's assume the theory is accurate. Does this then mean that time does not exist? Everything we know and perceive is based on time. And if we were to discover this theory is accurate and that there is no time as we know it, it could bring our reality to a stop. The possibility of discovering that time does not exist may not initially affect our lives, but it could have wide-reaching social implications to our perceptions of ourselves and the entire universe. And if you think it, is it then true? Physics can eliminate time, but it seems to allow for casualty. And that's the feeling that one can create another. It's possible that this entire time, physics is trying to tell us that casualty and not time is a fundamental feature of our universe. These are Interesting Things with JC.